Well, perhaps the biggest political battle that we are going to see this election season is Nandigram. It's going to be a contest between West Bengal's Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her former very close aide Suvendu Adhikari. Take a look.
In the Bengal election, if there was one fight that was most watched out for, it was the Battle of Nandigram. Suvendu Adhikari's induction in the BJP in December last year was the turning point in elections. Immediately after he joined the BJP, Mamata threw the Nandigram gauntlet.
ভবানীপুরও আমি ভালো প্রার্থী দেব, ওটাও আমার ভালোবাসার জায়গা। বক্সিকে বলবো নন্দীগ্রামে আমার নামটা যেন থাকে।
আমি লিখে রাখুন, আজকে সন্ধ্যাবেলা ঘড়িতে টাইম দিয়ে ডেট দিয়ে আপনারা লিখে রাখুন, 1.5 লাখ ভোটে যদি মাননীয়াকে হারাতে না পারি আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেব, আমি রাজনীতি ছেড়ে দেব, আপনি লিখে রাখুন।
Mamata Banerjee has been very strategic when she declared that she will fight only from one seat of Nandigram and give up her bastion Bhawanipur.
আর ভবানীপুরটা পুরো বিজয় আমি রোজ করি। আমি এখানে এমএলএ ইলেকশনে দাঁড়ালাম কি না দাঁড়ালাম বড় কথা নয়, ভবানীপুরটা রোজই আমার হাতের মুঠোয় থাকে এবং আমি ক্লাব থেকে শুরু করে পুজো কমিটি থেকে শুরু করে সবটাই করি। আমি নন্দীগ্রাম থেকেই দাঁড়াবো।
In 2007, following violence in Nandigram over land acquisition for a special economic zone, Mamata Banerjee used the Ma Mati Manush slogan to champion the cause of the people in Bengal. It was Suvendu Adhikari who mobilized and channelized the anger of the people against the left government. He was the man who led the fight for Mamata in Nandigram. And it was this movement that led to the left downfall in the state and rise of the TMC. 14 years later, Nandigram is back in the spotlight. This time, the protege and the mentor are pitted against each other.
डर गई हैं जो इस तरह से चीजें कर रही हैं, जाके बूथ पर बैठ जाती हैं। हार गया।
Here's what can and cannot work for both the sides. Nandigram is Suvendu's stronghold, which he won in 2016 with 67% votes, while 2006 agitation led to Mamata's rise in the state. While the BJP is yet to make a foothold in the state, Mamata is fighting for the first time in this seat. Suvendu is pitching BJP's national model while Mamata is fighting this battle so as to keep Nandigram voters' faith in the party intact. And for both the contestants, it will be a prestige battle like no other. And that's why on the day of voting, Mamata herself stepped into the polling booth.
And they didn't allow the people, local people to cast their vote. From morning I am complaining, but I am not getting any result. Even now I am complaining to you as a governor also. Please see that local people, they are not allowed to vote because of BJP.
As we close in on the 2021 Bengal fight, will Nandigram once again decide who is seated in Nabadna? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
I have said BJP will struggle to cross double digit. After 3 rounds of poll in Bengal, if there is anything, my conviction and my confidence is much more than what it was in December. BJP will struggle to cross 100. And I have even added by saying that if this turns out not to be true, I will quit this job what I do. I will leave this space completely.